Good morning, guys. Welcome. I hope everybody has a good morning. So, right now, I'm planning to make Jalen some breakfast. If you guys watch our previous videos about the Errands and Eats, if not, I'll put them in the link below. You probably know that I'm not a breakfast person. I already have my coffee, but Jalen is a breakfast person. That's her favorite meal of the day. So, we're gonna try to whip up some for her. Alright, so why don't you guys come and help me and we'll do this together. Alright, want some juice? Breakfast time, huh? I'm not a breakfast person, so. But she is. This
I'm
is
the
her.
foodie.
Yeah, this is her favorite meal of the day. Here you go.
Yeah.
Whew.
Oh, that's good.
We got this from Costco. It's good. It's good stuff.
This is like my favorite breakfast to have.
Hey, Coco.
How do you like your guys' eggs? Back in the day, I used to like them scrambled, but now I like them over easy. Ketchup on the eggs.
It's crazy because I'm not even hungry. I'm so used to not eating breakfast. I don't know if that's good or bad. Put them in the comment below. Let me know, please, so I can change.
Well, because you do intermittent fasting.
I do. I actually do. I fast. I eat 10 by 10 a.m. and then my last meal is 4:30, the latest. I don't like eating past 6. So yeah.
Hawaiian roll?
So for the breakfast I made her some Hawaiian rolls with some butter, sunny side up, and some bacons, just simple American breakfast. Okay guys, so lunchtime for me is 10:15 because I do fasting. Jalen is still full from her heavy breakfast. So right now for lunch I'm having a yogurt, plain Greek yogurt with some raspberry, bananas, and some granola. This is my typical lunch. Yeah, this is really good. I mean, I was surprised by this. At first I didn't like it, but it fills you up. Fills you up really good. And it's different type of full. It's like you're full, but you're comfortable full. Have you ever had that feeling like you're full and then you don't feel good because you're too full? Well, this is a light meal, and this always fills me up, especially on lunchtime when it's like on the go. Love yogurt now. I learned how to love yogurt. Not the plain, but you know, when you put some stuff in there and you bedazzle it a little bit with, you know, fruits, granolas, and all that stuff. It's actually really good. Me and Jalen, if you guys are wondering, me and Jalen have different eating schedule. You know, I like to eat only my uniform time, but she does. She's more flexible than me. But dinner time, we always eat together. I choose the breakfast because I'm not a breakfast person. Lunchtime, but dinner time, we always try to make sure that we sit down and we eat together. What about you guys? What's your what do you like to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Are you fasting? Do you do fasting?
So right now it's lunchtime, so I'm not really that hungry, but we went grocery shopping at Seafood City, and I saw these like porridges, ube, chocolate, and corn. So I'm gonna try kinakaan mais. Kinakaan mais. There we go. There we go. Kinakaan mais. So let's get started. So now you put the packaged ingredients inside the cup. You're gonna use hot water. It says do not microwave. Let's just try it. It's so soupy though. Okay, let's just try.
It's
Okay.
supposed to be soupy, but yeah, that's the right thing. That's how it's supposed to look like. It's like a buttercream.
I'm gonna have Richard try it.
What's wrong? You don't like it? That's how it's supposed to taste. That's just a coconut milk with sticky rice and some corn. That's how it's supposed to taste. Yeah. What's the verdict?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
There's an ube and chocolate one, so we'll see how those taste. But this corn one is 5 out of 10.
Think you're gonna eat this again?
Not the corn one.
Okay, guys. So we have light lunch because we're gonna have heavy dinner. So yeah, we'll catch you guys on dinner time. Jayla wants something to drink. A lot of food. Tell her she gave me a good time. She did. So we got steak, corn, asparagus, baked potato for Jalen and Jayla.
Amazing job.
Yeah, Jayla's here, by the way. That's Jalen's sister. She's just a little shy right now.
Look at that baked potato. Nice and potatoey, okay? Literally just falling apart how you want it.
All right, let's try this steak. I think I overcooked mine.
You did not undercook this baked potato. Yeah, thank
Some
you.
asparagus.
Not right now. Did you season it?
Oh yeah. I put pepper for the asparagus. I put pepper, soy sauce, and some how do you say that? Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. That's good.
Well, set your baked potato up.
It's so crunchy.
I'm still trying to set my baked potato up. It's the most important thing. And let me just show you guys my baked potato. Yeah.
Made by me. Truly yours.
Thank you. For dessert, I have caramel apple cupcakes, which will be probably good.
This potato look good. Let me try some.
Mmm.
That's really sweet, huh? Corn's really sweet.
Mmm.
Let me try the baked potato.
That's the second time you said that.
It's good. There's some good corn. Classic.
Very good. Is it good, JLo? Like restaurant? What?
If it's like restaurant Jayla, I'm gonna be biting it like that, like a burger. Stop, Jayla, Oh yeah, ice cream too for dessert. I should have
And the
chocolate.
cupcakes I have.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it is dessert time. So I have some cupcake. Caramel apple filled mini cupcake. So
Caramel what?
caramel apple.
Caramel apple? Alright, let's try it.
You want one, Jayla?
No more. Not bad. Not bad.
Is it good?
You like that? Yeah.
Okay guys, this is where we end it. Still gonna enjoy these cupcakes.
Yeah, so that's what we eat in a day. Just for today. It might change again on the other day. So
Okay guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next vlog. Yeah.